Okay, so this is a demonstration of actually hooking up the accelerator and actually to fill a bottle in the medical bed in the aircraft. So this would be shop air that needs to be available to power the accelerator, which is shop air. And this connects right here at this point, and that provides the power. And then this, obviously this is the regulator and the switch to turn that on. But first we'll hook up the oxygen to the aircraft. So the line for the aircraft will be this line here. Curl it up. And you will need 2 wrenches, 7/16, in order to connect this in the aircraft. I'll go inside the aircraft here. Have enough light. So on the bed, on the tail end of the bed, you'll have this apparatus that has the filler port, and you'll have to use 2 wrenches normally to get the cap off. And connect the line, and like I said, it doesn't have to be super tight, just snug, and that's it. That completes the connection. We'll go back out to the accelerator pump. And at this point we'll want to make sure our purge valve is closed, and then we can open this valve. This is the shut-off valve to allow oxygen to come out to the bed. And then now you want to make sure that your pressure regulator is open, and obviously you want to make sure you have the correct oxygen, which is the medical oxygen bottle. And you just slowly open the bottle, and you should see pressure, the bottle pressure. Now you'll be ready to start the oxygen delivery. So we will close this valve, and we will simulate let's say the bottle is at 500 psi. That's all you have, and the bed is about 1500, let's say. At this point you will turn the switch on, and then you will close the regulator valve, and as you close it, it will deliver air to the accelerator pump, and it'll start pumping oxygen to the bed. And this unit will automatically shut off at 2000 psi. It will not pump any more than that, but you want to be aware of the temperature compensation depending on the temperature. And that would be it as far as filling the system. To disconnect, you'd want to shut off the valve on the accelerator to shut the pumping action, and you want to turn the regulator valve off all the way, which would be to the left. At this point you want to close your oxygen supply, and you want to close this valve here on the line, and then you will open the bleed valve, which bleeds the system off the line to the bed connection. At this point you're safe to disconnect the connector at the bed, which we will do now. Disconnect your line and replace the cap to keep the fitting clean. Again, a reminder, you never want to have any oil in contact with oxygen. Just place the cap on the end of the lines. After that, you can leave the remaining oxygen from the regulator valve. And then after you're completed with the filling process, you want to open all your valves on the regulator, make sure the oxygen is actually closed. And then close your supply line, and you're done.